Oh my god. Is that a piece of one of the bearings? Whoa. Dang. I have some really bad news for you. Yeah, the engine. Now, this Chrysler was driving down the highway the other day, and it just shut off. It would not restart. It wouldn't do anything. They had to get it towed home. They called me. These are my customers. I've done quite a bit of work for them. This is really, in my opinion, really cool car. It is the 75th anniversary. I think it's like a one of a couple thousand. Let me see. What's it say? Limited edition. Vehicle number 195 out of 2 or 3,000. So pretty cool, pretty cool. So let me show you what it does real quick. It just clicks. So that's all it does. I checked the battery. I came yesterday. I tried to boost it. I checked everything. I kind of tapped the starter a little bit. But first, before I did anything, I checked the oil and I checked the codes. Now, look, this freaking oil stick is absolutely stuck. Yep, it just broke. So the oil stick was dry the other day, and that sucks. I broke it. So I barely could get it out yesterday, and I did lube it. Look at that, I put white grease on it yesterday, and I checked it. It was flat out of oil, didn't have a drop in it. Also, let me show you the codes that I found. So here are the codes. Really bad. Engine oil pressure sensor switch A, range performance cylinder 6 deactivation control circuit, cylinder 4 deactivation control circuit, anti-fouling spark function low fluid level, cylinder 1 deactivation control circuit. Really not good codes, all oil related. So like I said, I checked the oil, boom, flat out of oil. I will replace this for them. That sucks that just broke, but he was with me, the owner, yesterday, and I was like pulling it out, and I showed him like, man, that thing is freaking stuck, and sure enough. So what I'm doing today, I'm gonna drain the oil, and I want to see how much oil is in it, if there's anything, and then we're gonna turn the engine over and see if it's locked up. My suspicions are that this engine is locked up. We're gonna move this out of the way so that way we can get to the crank bolt. Well guys, another thing I'd like to show you. The mileage is currently at 119,645. There's the only warning on this car is oil change due. The fuel is out, and look at this, 116,781. So they are 3,000 miles over. So I don't know how many miles they did for the synthetic. So, you know, my guess is that it's been 10,000 miles since it's even had an oil change. Guys, this cannot be happening. You have to check your oil. You have to stay on top of this stuff. It doesn't matter if your car is new or in good shape or has a new engine. It does not matter. Mark my words, guys. Really breaks my heart, but I think this engine is done, because it's so weird. Why would the vehicle shut off like that and the starter be dead at the same time? No, it doesn't make sense. And it's funny, I didn't think to turn the vehicle over, or to turn it over by hand yesterday. Then I was thinking to myself last night, I was like, that freaking engine is locked up, dude. Look at this too. Look at this weird like oil there. It's so weird. So anyways, my trusty snap-on long 3/8 ratchet. So it's a 21 millimeter. I got it on. All right, let's try it. Oh my god, this engine is locked up, dude. What? That's why it won't turn over or start or do anything. Look at that. Oh my god, they're gonna be so upset. They already put a new engine in this thing, but Holy shit, dude, look at that. Oh my god. This stresses me out, man. Why don't people check their oil? Why don't people take care of their cars? Why do people take these things for granted? Makes me so mad. It's so easy to take care of your car and to do these things. Look how freaking beautiful this car is, man. It sucks so bad. Guys, even if you have a new car, a really good car in good shape, a really nice car, it does not matter. You need to change your oil. You need to check your oil. You need to stay up on things like this. This car is over 3,000 miles overdue, and I'm sure it's been dogged, rode. It's just a shame this this engine is done. So here's just a little reminder, guys, keep up on your maintenance. We're gonna go and drain the oil and see exactly how much is left in to these folks. All right, let's get it done. I got my jack stands all set up. This is kind of an awkward car, and obviously I can't get it on my ramps to do an oil change, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Check this out. Love Florida. Love Florida, boy. All right. Man, guys, I just got a very disturbing call. My dad is in the hospital. There was a scare. Luckily, he's all right. But I'm just finishing this up, and I'm leaving. Oh, man. What a day, huh? Alright, now I gotta get this stupid shield off. Okay, that's gonna give us the room we need. Now, for the fun part. You wanna put your guesses in the comments? How much oil is left? I love this game. Oh, let's go. I say less than a quart. Oh my god. It's so milky and nasty. Oh my god, there's so much glitter in there. Holy shit. Oh my god. Let's see, where's the quart? Okay. So we're right at 1 quart. Oh my god. Wait, how many? It smells so bad. How many quarts does a HEMI take? Is it 7? Yeah, it's 7. Okay. I think. Wow. Look at that. Yep, so you can see my little quart meter here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, maybe? So missing 5 quarts. What's this say on it? Look how loose that is. I guess that's not too bad. Huh. Yeah. It's a shame. Okay. We're just gonna tighten this up, and we're gonna pour this into my clear bottle and see what we got. Oh man. Okay. That's tight. Let's get this out in the sunlight. Oh my god. Look at that glitter. Look at that freaking glitter, guys. That's the engine right there. Oh my god. Dang. That's crazy. Look at all that. Oh, look when I move it. Dang, son. This is not a good day for somebody. Wow. Every time you shake it. Hey, good morning, man. How's it going today? Good. I'm just here at the Chrysler. I got the key from the lady that was there. I have some really bad news for you. Yeah, the engine's locked up. 100% sure. Last night I was thinking to myself, I was like, what? All these things don't make sense. Like, why would the car die? Why would the starter not work? And I didn't even think yesterday to check to see if the engine would turn over. I mean, nope, not by hand. I have a socket and a ratchet on there. Exactly. And I tried turning it over, man, that thing is locked up solid. And I drained the oil to see how much was in there. Maybe a quart and something. And it's all full of metal shavings. Yep. So I got the oil saved here. I put it in like a clear Ranex bottle, just so you know we could I could show you or whatever. But yeah, it really does. Yep. I did notice that the oil change sticker, according to the dash, is almost or 3,000 miles over also. So yeah, sorry I have to break that news to you. Yeah. So yeah, I guess if you have any questions or whatever, let me know, and I guess whenever you guys decide to do whatever with it, just let me know, and we can go from there. But all right, we're just draining the oil. Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. Wow. Dang, man. So this is what's left in the engine. Let's see, 4 quarts, 1 gallon. So yeah, right under 2 quarts. That'll do it. And then as you can see, oh wow, look at that. Yep, that's what happens when you don't change your oil or check it. All right, so we're just gonna clean up here and get on the road. If you've learned anything from this video, just service your vehicle, guys. It's not. All right, guys, we are off. My heart is broken. I hate seeing stuff like this. It makes me just really freaking sad because there's people out there that don't have cars, and then there's people out here who do. Who, I mean, it's not everyone's fault. I don't know. I don't want to be harsh, but take care of your cars, guys. Just take care of them. Check your oil. It doesn't matter if your car is a 2020, 2024. Check your freaking oil. Do your maintenance. Change your transmission fluid. Don't change your transmission fluid after 100,000 miles. Change it after 30 or 40. It's not going to kill it. Do it early. The better the condition of the fluid, the longer your stuff is going to last. period. I don't care what anyone says. Change your spark plugs early. Do everything early. Do it often. It's not, you're not wasting anything. You're just taking ultra good care of your car, and your car will take ultra good care of you. It's a proven fact. It's a proven fact. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I will catch you guys later. Peace.